Hi, you kids and cadets. Hopefully, you're having a nice day. I thought I'd give you a review of some sockets and a ratchet I just got from Temu. They call it the CRV. I drive a CRV. I didn't know why they called it that, and then I figured it out. It says CRV material, so that's chrome vanadium. So they get the initials off of the chrome vanadium. So this set happened to be $7.57. They also have a half-inch drive and a quarter-inch drive. The half-inch drive was 26 something. The quarter-inch drive was 12 something, so it was more than the 3/8 drive. I've gotten some cheap sockets before, just the millimeter sockets with no ratchet, and they've stripped out. I use the 10 a lot. This set, I'll tell you what it is. It just says assembled in China. It's 8 millimeter all the way through. Is it 21? Yeah, 21, which is a nice selection. So I ended up taking some scooter tires off my vintage 2-cycle motorcycle buddy in Manatee County, Matt. So I just used the set, and I think it's a good quality entry level set for under $8. Took the axle off one scooter to get this rear tire off, and then it took another scooter tire off. I had wanted the inner tube off of that one. So far, taking the 2 axles off, there was no issue. Not to say that if I worked in a shop and used this every day, that the sockets would hold up, but just looking at the quality, I kind of look for just the machining. If there's any rough spots, I look at the sockets. It's got a quick release on the ratchet. I don't see any imperfections. A lot of times when they're using the same mold and they make 1,000 of these things, you get some burrs and imperfections. I think these are pretty good quality. This here is when I was banging the axle. Use this as a hammer. Use the right tool for the right job, and I didn't. So that's what all those marks are. I had to bang the axle out of the center hub. I was too lazy to come to the front and get a hammer to do the job. So I would say yes on the CRV ratchet and socket set from Temu for $7.57. I think if you buy $10 worth of junk from them, it's free shipping. So I can always find another cheap gadget, turkey baster, or a long sleeve t-shirt, something to get me over the $10 mark. So it's in French. Dispose of properly in English to avoid suffocation. This plastic bag away from babies. It only came in a plastic bag, and the sockets were actually out of the box. They just ship everything in a plastic bag, and it ends up getting beat up. So Luckily, they were metal sockets and nothing happened to them. This must be the bag they're talking about, the plastic wrap, or could be the shipping bag. So this is how this goes. It's a little carrying case, socket back there. Ratchet's got its own holder. And the extension goes right there. Keep it all organized. The CRV 12-piece ratchet set. There's your sizes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 17, 19, 21. All the common sizes if you're working on metric equipment. Okay, that's all I got for you. You guys have a good day today. If you need a cheap set of ratchets to take on the go, I think for under $8, this is a good choice. Okay, I'm gonna go fix some junk. I don't know what, but I'm gonna fix something today. Adios, amigos. Like, subscribe, come back to my channel. I'll always have new and interesting content for you kids and cadets, tip you waitress and waitstaff. Adios.